Hello, this is Fabian Diaz Santiago, and I'm just gonna do a brief demonstration of my code. I'm just gonna introduce my code. So it's intended to be like a pizza order app, so that you can see it displays like an interactive menu, and the user has like a different options. So the first option is gonna be display the menu. The second one is create your pizza, and the third is leave a review. And of course, there is an option to quit like the program. So overall, the program is very straightforward, so it's easy to read and easy to understand. I'm just gonna run my program so I can do a brief walkthrough. The first one is gonna be display the menu. Here, I am displaying first like a welcome message. And then I'm doing like the pizza options, like the options, like the price, and I'm doing kind of like a sub menu to differentiate like the different like options. But yeah, this is like the first option. The second option is create your pizza. So for this one, I am prompting like the user for different like options. The first one is he's asking me whether the pizza is vegetarian or not. As long as the user does not like respond properly, it's gonna be like repeating like the same, asking over and over the same question until the user like responds whether yes or no. You're gonna do yes, no, just like a random responses, and you can see that it displays like the total, which is like $35. I can do the same, but I'm trying to change like the price. I don't know. Yes, no, and it's gonna be displaying like a different. The total is gonna be different. And the final one is like leave a review. So it's gonna prompt if you wanna leave a review. Yes, I'm gonna leave a review. Then it's gonna be prompt me if I want to display my review. You can say yes, and you can see here the review. And it's the same while loop, which means as long as the user types like the correct answer, it's gonna be displaying the next information. But yeah, this is my program. And of course like the quit option. But I'm just gonna do a brief explanation of my code. So first I just created like two different classes. Of course, one class for my menu and other class for like the other implementation of the pixel, like the price and the different options. I found very interesting that for in Java you need to import like a library to read information, with this I mean, for example, here I'm doing like string user choice, so it's gonna store like the information that the user gives. But in order to save like that information, I need to implement like the library, the external library, and I can say here use choice, which is like this, equal scanner dot next line. So I found this very interesting. I also learned about like while loops and for loops, but overall I think it's a good practice, and I think it's a real life scenario, like creating like a app that lets you like order online, and I think it was a good practice. But thank you so much for your time and watching my demonstration.